Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Well, good morning, good evening, good night, because I know there's people from all over the world that watch us. Sometimes I put subtitles on, they've got to listen to me. Anyway, what are you all up to today? I've got washing on, bed sheets on, 2 lots of bed sheets to wash. I've done one wash already and it's in the dryer. I've got any part in a bit to go and get some refreshers. Toiletries I meant to say, I was going to say refreshers. Well, they are refreshers, aren't they? I'll go and get some toiletries for the weekend. I'll go and get some body wash and, you know, all the bits and bobs that you need to take in your bag. So, anyway, when we went out the other day, I think it was last Saturday. We went to Aldi's, didn't we? Yes. And then you've got, like, Lidl's. You've got pound shop round there, Smith's toy shop, charity shop and all that lot. So I thought, let's go in the pound shop. Mark wanted to go in there, see what there is. I'll blame him this time for going in. And in there I thought, I've got some of these, look. I've got 4 of these vouchers. So in the pound shop, £1 shop, £2 shop, £5 shop, what it is now anyway. They've got some of them in here, whirlers. Double treat, them whirler things, all sorts. As long as it's baker's treat thing, it don't matter. And these, the 50p off. So I picked up 4 packets of £2 a pack. Yeah, £2 a pack for dog treats. Not many in. So then I've got £2 off, so I get more for £1 a bag. Yeah. Something like that anyway. So I goes up to the counter, takes the dog treats there. Hang on a minute, and I said to him behind there, I paid all up. I said, do you take these? So she just let me have a look, scan it. Obviously, you know that they didn't take them because I've got them still. So she checked it all out. There's all right about it, and said no. Oh, fair enough. So I'm going to go down shop today. I'm going to go in. I know that errands do these reward things, 50p's off vouchers. And we'll see what they get and give them another try because they run out on the valid till the 31st of the 12th, 25. So they've got plenty of thing on. If not, I'll go round to Morrison's. They'll do it. They'll definitely do it. These big shops, not there. They'll do it. Morrison's and I don't go to Tesco's anyway. All the bigger shops will do it. The cheap shops not do it because I don't think they have them sort of brand. They have their own brands, don't they? So I'm going to give a try today. Try errands today when I go down there in a bit. See what they say. And let you know if I can swap them. See if I can get any. See if I can get any money off for my Marlow, his treaty things. So leave them in my purse there. So I do, keep them in there. And that's what I'm up to today. Come back, what else am I going to do? Oh yeah, I've got to pick Sister's wife's prescription up. She wants me to put that in for her. So I'll pick that up on the way round. As you know, she only lives across the road from the tram stop. So I'll pick that up for her, put that in. Come back and finish off what I've got to do. I've changed the beds. Why are beds so tiring and hard work? I've got a king now. I put my king on now. My king not quilt. I put the quilt on now, but the duvet. I've got the that teddy fleecy thing back on. It's getting a bit nippy at night, isn't it, people? So I've got the bottom sheet. It's not a sheet, is it? It's a fleece, bottom fitted thing, and then I've got the others on top. I've done Reese's bed, so they're all done up there, all hoovered and everything. It's all sorted up there. I've just hoovered around here. Just got to dust about, and I think that'll be it. Get the washing sorted. Wait till that washing stopped. I don't like to go out and leave my washer on. I don't know about you lot, but I don't like to leave it on. Can flood her out, can't it? And especially a dry. I don't leave that on. Also, I always wait. So anyway, that's that. Got some of these from pound shop and all up. Spooky glow sticks. 16 in a pack. All the kids' toffees. Look, but you see, I don't know if I've shown you on the last video. I'll show you again. All the kids' toffees. That's smart. I bet they don't come. I'm going to put this in the window because I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to dress up in me. I'm going to get my Halloween frock on and my mask. They want a trick or treat. I'll give them a trick. So I'm going to put that out the window this time in the kitchen. Put the blinds back. Make sure it's safe and put a candle in it. See how many people come this time because they're saying to kids, aren't they? If you ain't got notes in your window displayed, don't go knocking. Which is, I suppose, is right in it. Lots of people don't want them coming round. But anyway, I says to Mark, there's too much toffees there. Don't worry about it, he says. They'll get right. Yeah, I bet they will buy him. They'll eat the buggers, no? Right, so quite warm in here. Might open the window a bit. Let me just stand you. Hang on. I'm going to set this window a bit, people. Bit of fresh air in. Get these glasses put away and stuff. Them horrible shaped glasses, look. Alright for pop, aren't they? They're alright for pop, they are. Stuff. Put these, just fetch that Reese's room, and yeah, me, 2 glasses, 2 books out his room, where he's had chocolate in. Every morning I have to check his room to make sure he's got ramolix, he never brings it down. Never brings it down. It's out there forever. Oh, I don't know, lads, men. No, lad, is it? Your man. Anyway, let's go back in here because it's a bit noisy with the washer and dryer on. So I've got washing in there, drying in there, and drying on here. So I've got these sheets to do, and that's it. Another lot of sheets. I'll do them when I come back from the shops because I've got time to mess about. This can get washed next and all. That can be washed. It's been on long enough, hasn't it? Mayo's got a towel to sit on today. One of his dog towels because his blanket's been washed. Your blanket's been washed, hasn't it? Your blanket has. And all your bits and bobs, hasn't it? Hey, you don't mind sitting on that, do you? You don't mind sitting on that, do you? Hey? He says he's not bothered. Haven't you? Hey? Sit down and let me drink my coffee. Mummy's got to go out in a bit. Not be long there, she's not. It's only be about an hour. I'm not going no big shop. I'm only going on the front. Got to go to a cord factory and pick some up out there as well. So, there we go. My phone charged up. Yep. Anything happening on the phone? Let's have a look. Anything exciting going off? Probably not. Look how he's squashed up now. I spoke to him. Look at that. Look at him. Can you get any closer? No. You can't get no closer. Hang on, let's have a look. Is it going off? No. Just looking on Facebook. Gareth Pugh is at Flamingo Land Resort. Flamingo Land Resort, Zoo and Van Life Adventures. Oh, Flamingo Land. Picture of Trisha and Gareth on summit. Trisha don't look too happy on it. Let me show you. Vicious. Well, you're braver than me to go on it, Trisha. You are. Right. Look at that. Selection boxes are out already. Hey? I don't know. Been out for ages, haven't I? I can't moan though, because I did buy 2 tins of toffees, didn't I? I did buy. Get out of bed. I did buy 2 tins of toffees. Chocolates, didn't I? They won't touch them yet. They're still up there. No, not touching them. Trying not to touch them, but probably will. Marks of wheat. We can always get some more. Yeah. We would do if they're on that price, but not getting them any other prices. I'm not paying £6 each for a tin of them toffees. There's hardly a tin of them. No, not like years ago. They used to be them big fat tins, didn't they? Them big. Oh, let's turn that off. Do me head in. Right, that's on that. Oh, that's it. That's because I watched Emmerdale this morning. No, I didn't. I watched EastEnders. I watched Emmerdale and stuff later. What was I saying? What about that? I can't remember now what I was on about. Rabbiting on here, aren't I? So, fish chips and peas tonight for dinner, I think. I'm in the box. Codfish fillets, not the cheap stuff. Don't buy that. Don't buy that horrible minced up stuff. Cod fillets because it's minging. Gonna buy some fish, buy some decent stuff. That minging stuff. So I'm gonna get off and drink this coffee, get myself sorted. Go round to Sister Swine's, get her a script. Go down to shops, get me bits and bobs. I'll probably come back with something missing, like I always do. But anyway, if I get it good, I'll show you. So you lot take care and see you in a bit. Tra. Hey up, all you peoples. Peoples. All depends how many's watching. Probably peoples. Am I mad or what? I've left my phone upstairs. So I went to get... it was ringing down here earlier and I was in the shower getting dressed and stuff. When I was out the shower, I was getting dried. You know what I mean. I left it up there and all it was, I kept ringing. Stupid calls that you get. So let's go and get it. Go pay and get it. Take these bags back up. I don't know. Oh. So what, you get your steps in going up and downstairs, don't you, all day? Right, here it is on this black box. A minute. There it is. There. Right, put that down. Let's go in here. Right. Put them away. Oops. Right. I've got these bags, look. These wash bags. This is a wash bag I'm taking. This one here. That's got my wash stuff in it. I put a keyring on here. Oh, it took me ages to get that keyring on. I'm crap at doing all stuff like that. And there's one on here. Ah, the one on there, so that's them two done. What's going off today? I don't know. Not a deal. Let's just put that on there. No, that one there. And that one there. Come on, get on there. That's it. Did I tell you that Sister Swan gave me 2 of these carpet sprays? I don't know if I've shown them you. Quite good actually, you know. Fabiosa. I think I've shown them you anyway. I think I've told you about them. Well, I've told you again. Do you know this king quarter? It's alright, you know. It's quite warm, but look, it always ends up going down there. Ends up going on the floor all the time. I'm not going to put it. It's heavy as well. I'm not going to do it yet because I've got to put the pillow slits back on. Stuff like that. So I'm going to go back down. And let me just put this on. I'll just take this in here. The wash bag thing. I'll put that on a bit. I didn't get up till 8:20 today. What's all that about? That's not like me. I must have been tired, eh? I didn't get to bed till 12:30. Got some washing in again. We're having today, later on, having these sausages. Them. 12 onion mustard pork chipolatas. They're not chipolatas, they're sausages, aren't they? No. Might have, I don't know what I'm going to have with them yet. Chips or taters or what. Not sure. Although we've got plenty of beans up there. I don't know what we're going to have. I'll tell you what. I got some of this yesterday when I went down Evans. Quite nice, I've had it before. That. Lunch bowl, Moroccan style chickpea and raisin. It's quite nice actually. Ben's original. Just put it in the microwave. You can have it as a meal, I think, on its own. Or if you want something with it. Got all bits and bobs in it. Oh yeah, that'll be nice. 5 flapjacks. Get 5 flapjacks. 5 of them flapjacks for £2 in errands. So I've got 10. So they've got 5 each then pair. I've taken them in the snack box on one of them. I think Reese has already had some of his, but you know, that's up to him, isn't it? Mark's took one in his snack box. Smells lovely in here. I've got my candle thing on. Or something linen. I'm going to put that other one in there because I think I can get 2 in there. Get 2 in there, can't I? What do you reckon? Yes. There. Put the other one in there. 2 chunks. Look, this plant here, it must be a female and no. Because look, let me show you, hang on, we'll just twist it round. Look, it's got sprouts coming on it, look at that. They won't be ready for a bit. But being as though it's October, the spider plants go dormant. They just don't grow. They're alive, but they just don't grow. So these here, these babies, when they get potted, because I know somebody wants a couple, when you put them in, you can either put them in a bit of water to let the roots come, or you probably know anyway, or you can just plant it in a pot with some muck. It's up to you, entirely up to you what you want to do with it. But it might not grow because it's getting a bit late now in this thing of the summer plant, aren't they? It might. So if you put it in its pot, I'll tell you anyway when I see you, and just leave it. Don't assume that it's dead because it ain't growing. It's just asleep kind of thing. You know what I mean. So that's what they do. But probably caught them in time, I'm not sure. They probably will come off. I hope they do. So that's no, they weren't them plants. Them spiders, them 2 spider plants up there. That one and that one. They weren't that one cutting off the other one. That was 2 separate ones. 2 separate cuttings off the same other plant, but not this plant. If you know what I mean. I know what I mean. So that's the first time that other one over there's grown babies. Look who's next to me, look. You see what he does? He either comes up, he didn't come up on the bed this morning and wait for me. He was down here, because when I come down he was on his cushion on here. But now he's at the bottom of the stairs like I just shown you. Now I've come in here, he's sat here, look. See, there's him already and sat down with a cup of coffee and read a bit of Kindle before I start my next jobs. And who knows, I might go and have a look up that tin up the top where you put your shoes and bags in, see if it's empty yet, see if they've emptied it all out. I should have had a look yesterday really when I went up. Now I went up for tram shops. I should have had to check then. I could have lipped have a cunt and had a look and then took my stuff up, but I don't know. I'll get rid of them. They'll go. Don't worry about it. Oh, you're not going to worry, are you? I'm not going to worry about it. Just stay out there. That's all there is to it. Till it's done. What's this message there? Who's that message? Paul Young, you make me laugh, Paul. You do make me laugh. Hello there, Diane, Mark and Mal. I hope you're all well and having a happy weekend. Great video. Yes, that was some wind we had. Nice to see. Hold on. See what's in your shop. Sounds like you have plenty of plans ahead and exciting times. Mallow looks happy on camera and nice to see your fair. Yes, it looks really big. Well, thank you for sharing. Keep up your great work. Enjoyed and loved it all. Take care, Diane, Mark and Mal and all the crew. Oh, thank you, Paul. Love reading all your essays. And all your little hearts and all your little robots. Are the robots them on the end? What are they, Paul? Them things on the end. Look like robots to me. Thumbs ups and little dog footprints. Love it. Don't stop what you're doing, Paul. We like it. And everybody else's messages as well, not just Paul. Paul likes to write an essay, don't you, Paul? Who else? No, that is it. I think that is it. Right. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Not a deal. Drink me coffee. That's what I'm going to do. Hotels. Well, I've done, look, we got a candle from that, when we went to that fair, it was like a lucky dip. The kids thing it were. You know, helping them out in a scouts club. The scouts. They have scouts up there, they do. So there's a candle at the bottom of there, look. Can you see it down the bottom underneath that, a white candle? It was a bit, you know, it was alright. So I kind of am burning that. And then I put one of my own Yankee candles in there on top, look. What is it? Spiced apple. It smells like Christmas, doesn't it? Spiced apple. So let that burn on there, and then I can scrape it all out, that bottom part. Leave it to soak in some water. Leave it to soak in some hot water, don't you? So all thing is I can get it out and put some others in when that's done. In the meantime, cooking Reese's chicken. That's chicken and rice he does to watch. Let's get that cooking. Leave that there, let that cook for about, I don't know, 45 minutes or something. Yes. And that is it. Didn't get that, I think that's gone out of date now, it's too late I think. Garlic sausage. Oh no, has it got a date on it? 1 minute, garlic sausage. 25th of the 9th. That's September, isn't it? Well, I'll get to Will. Don't always look on the dates. Don't worry about the dates. Everything's got to have a date on. Tastes alright, eat it. That's it. You got any more mugs? No. Look. What I did yesterday, I took his old mug out of his bag and washed it and put it back in his bag. But this morning I came down, he took it out. That's all that about, he took it out. So you come and win another Nora. Can't win, people, I can't win. I can't win. I got some washing on the line yesterday. I did got home there. My coat covers dry. It was a nice day, wasn't it? A bit sunny, bit of wind. Got them dry. And a couple of towels. I did. Oh yes, I did. I don't know. So I don't know what else to talk to you about. What's going off around here? Not much, is it, Marlo? So I think I'll say ta-ra. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a hype us up. And subscribe if you want to, if you like watching me. If you don't, you know, just move on. And I'll see you on the next video. See you lot, take care. Ta-ra!